In every era of human history, from the age of steam to the rise of electricity, from the birth of computing to the spread of the internet, the world has watched new technologies reshape societies, rewrite industries, and redefine what it means to work. But nothing in the past compares to the speed, intelligence, and transformative power of artificial intelligence, the force that is now accelerating faster than any invention humanity has ever created. And as we stand on the edge of this technological revolution, a single question begins to overshadow economies, governments, and everyday workers. Will the job you're doing today even exist tomorrow? Or will AI simply do it faster, cheaper, and better than any human possibly can? To understand this future, we must explore the present. Because AI is not a science fiction idea, it is already embedded in our phones, our hospitals, our factories, our schools, our banks, our transportation systems, and everywhere decisions need to be made. Tasks need to be automated, or predictions need to be calculated. AI systems learn faster than students, analyze data with more accuracy than experts, diagnose diseases more precisely than doctors, and complete repetitive tasks with perfect consistency. Never sleeping, never stopping, never demanding a salary or vacation. And this shift is not a distant threat, it is happening silently around us in real time, rewriting the very definition of work before millions even realize what is replacing them. In an office that once needed 10 employees to manage paperwork, only one person is now required, assisted by software that processes forms, organizes data, drafts reports, and even sends professional emails with perfect grammar. Customer service jobs that depended on human patience are now handled by conversational AI that answers questions instantly, in any language without frustration. In call centers that once hired thousands, chatbots and voice assistants have already taken over 60% of the workload. And the remaining employees now supervise AI rather than serving customers themselves. Factories that echoed with the noise of workers now hum with the precision of robotic arms that assemble products every second without errors, fatigue, or breaks. Driverless trucks will soon move millions of tons of goods across highways without needing sleep, food, or safety stops. Delivery drones will handle the work of couriers, making human labor optional rather than essential. And even in agriculture, AI machines plant seeds, monitor soil, detect disease, and harvest crops with the accuracy of scientists and the strength of tractors combined. But the biggest shock is not in the physical world, it is in the world of knowledge, creativity, and intelligence. Because for the first time in human history, machines are learning to think, write, draw, compose, analyze, and innovate, entering fields once believed safe from automation forever. Writers watch AI generate stories in minutes,